Directus versus Payload. In this 2025 comparison, we'll see which headline CMS is the better choice. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. Directus is an open source data platform that can turn any SQL database into a headless CMS. Payload is also open source but built in Node.js and MongoDB designed to give developers a modern, TypeScript-friendly CMS. Next is learning curve. Directus is easier for non-technical teams thanks to its no-code admin app. Payload is developer-focused and requires more coding knowledge. When it comes to customization, Payload gives you more flexibility if you love working with code and React. Directus has a powerful UI out of the box, making it great for quick projects. Next is audience. Directus is best for teams that want a ready-to-use CMS with minimal setup. Payload is ideal for developers who want full control over schemas and APIs. For its value, both are free and open source, but hosting cost differs. Directus can run SQL databases while Payload leans into modern JavaScript stacks. The verdict? Choose Directus if you want speed and accessibility. Go with Payload if you're a developer looking for flexibility and modern tooling. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.